everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we turn your outdoor dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a lush, vibrant garden but think you don't have enough space? Or maybe you want to add a splash of color and life to your outdoor living area without a full-scale landscape project? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of patio container gardens, the perfect solution for adding beauty and nature to any space, big or small. So, what exactly is a patio container garden? It's simply the art of growing plants, flowers, and even vegetables in pots, planters, and various containers on your patio, deck, or balcony. This isn't just about putting a single pot on the ground. It's about creating a cohesive, living arrangement that transforms your outdoor space. Think of it as a movable, customizable garden that you can design to fit your unique style and needs. It's the ultimate flexible gardening solution, allowing you to experiment with different plants, colors, and textures without the commitment of an in-ground bed. This approach gives you total control over soil type, water drainage, and sunlight exposure, making it easier to grow a wider variety of plants, even in challenging environments. The benefits of a patio container garden are truly fantastic. First, it offers incredible flexibility. You can rearrange your pots to create new looks, move plants to sunnier or shadier spots as needed, or even bring delicate plants indoors during winter. This is a game changer for those who live in colder climates. Second, it's a space saver. Container gardening allows you to maximize every square inch of your patio, deck, or balcony, turning it into a green oasis. Third, it provides superior pest and weed control. Since your plants are elevated and in their own controlled environment, you'll have fewer issues with garden pests and a lot less weeding. Finally, and most importantly, it's a huge boost to your home's aesthetic. A well-designed container garden adds vibrant color, texture, and a sense of tranquility that makes your patio a more inviting and beautiful place to relax and entertain. Now for the fun part. How do you decorate your patio container garden to look absolutely stunning? The key is to think like an artist. Start with a theme or a color palette. Do you want a vibrant, tropical feel or a calming monochromatic look? Mix and match different container sizes, shapes, and materials to create visual interest. Grouping pots of varying heights and widths together adds a dynamic, layered effect. Don't be afraid to combine different types of plants within one container. The classic thriller, filler, and spiller combination is a foolproof method. The thriller is a tall, dramatic plant. The filler is a mounding, bushier plant that fills the middle, and the spiller is a trailing plant that cascades over the edge. Add personal touches with decorative elements like garden statues, string lights, or comfortable seating to complete the look. Remember, a beautiful patio container garden is a reflection of your personal style. All right, you're inspired. But what are the best plants to use? Here are some of our top picks that thrive in containers. First, petunias. Known for their long-lasting, vibrant blooms and ability to trail beautifully. Second, impatiens. Perfect for shady patios, offering a constant show of color. Third, hostas. Great for adding texture and lush green foliage in shady spots. Fourth, herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary. Not only are they beautiful and fragrant, but they are also useful for cooking. Fifth, geraniums. A classic for a reason. They are hardy and provide bright pops of color. Sixth, succulents. Excellent for sunny spots and require very little water, perfect for low-maintenance beauty. Seventh, tomatoes and peppers. Yes, you can grow your own food. Many compact varieties do exceptionally well in pots. Eighth, coleus. Prized for its stunning multicolored foliage that adds a different kind of visual appeal. Ninth, Japanese maples. For a more permanent feature, a dwarf Japanese maple in a large container offers year-round beauty. Now let's look at some fantastic examples and get inspired. We've curated a list of the top 10 best patio container garden ideas that you can use as inspiration. 1. Bohemian chic outdoor living space. A bohemian-style patio is decorated with an eclectic mix of plants in various pots, from galvanized metal buckets to traditional terracotta. The centerpiece is a large egg-shaped hanging chair and two bright yellow rattan chairs. The plant arrangements include a mix of tropical foliage, succulents, and flowering plants, creating a lush and relaxed atmosphere. This image perfectly illustrates how a container garden can be an integral part of an outdoor living room, tying together furniture and decor. 2 modern textured planters. This contemporary garden space features 2 tall, textured blue planters that stand out against the natural greenery. Each planter holds a different plant arrangement, including a tree-like plant with pink flowers in one and a lush, green leafy plant in the other. The planters are placed along a modern patio wall, showcasing how unique and artistic containers can become a design feature in themselves, adding height and a pop of color. 3. Potted flower wonderland. A long wooden walkway is lined with an incredible array of terracotta pots, each filled with a different kind of vibrant flower. The profusion of colors, including yellows, blues, purples, and whites, creates a truly magical and abundant display. The various sizes and shapes of the plants and containers add layers of interest, making this a captivating and welcoming pathway. It's a perfect example of a maximalist approach to container gardening. 4. Elevated flower baskets. This vibrant garden features 2 large white metal plant stands, shaped like stylized bicycles, holding multiple terracotta pots bursting with bright yellow marigolds and deep red poinsettias. The elevated stands create a dynamic display, bringing the flowers up to eye level. Lush green hedges and white hydrangeas form a beautiful backdrop, highlighting the colorful container arrangements. This design is both functional and artistic, creating a unique focal point. 5. Garden on a sunny deck. This image showcases a beautiful deck overflowing with a variety of potted plants, including a large pot of petunias and a stunning coleus with variegated leaves. The lush foliage and colorful flowers are arranged in different sized containers, creating a vibrant, layered look against a rustic wooden fence. A wrought iron plant stand elevates a central pot, adding height and dimension. This setup demonstrates how to create a full, abundant garden, even on a small deck. 6. Vertical deck garden. This creative patio garden utilizes vertical space with a series of blue, tall ceramic planters holding a mix of flowers and herbs. A hanging container is filled with cascading yellow and red blooms, attaching to the deck railing. The use of tall, striking pots with a vibrant blue glaze adds a bold splash of color against the natural wood deck and green forest backdrop. This vertical approach is excellent for making the most of a compact patio or deck space. 7. Elegant patio arrangement with tulips. A sophisticated and elegant patio is adorned with a large, decorative white bowl-shaped planter. The container is filled with a stunning arrangement of tall purple tulips and smaller purple pansies, creating a beautiful and formal display. This arrangement is set against a classic brick house and complements the comfortable, cushioned outdoor chairs, demonstrating how container gardens can enhance a refined and traditional outdoor setting. 8. Cozy backyard retreat. This intimate backyard setting features a mix of a manicured lawn, a paved patio, and a cozy dining area. The space is softened and defined by a variety of large potted plants, including a substantial terracotta pot filled with lush foliage and trailing flowers. The use of climbing plants on the surrounding wooden fences and a mix of pavers and grass creates a layered, cozy environment. This shows how containers can be used to add softness and life to a structured yard. 9. Modern oasis with a large potted palm. A modern patio features clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. A large, ornate green ceramic pot holds a striking palm-like plant, acting as a dramatic focal point. The surrounding area is designed with a mix of smooth stone pavers and green grass, creating a chic, contemporary feel. The arrangement of smaller, matching pots in the background adds a sense of order and elegance. This idea shows how a single, well-chosen container can define a space. 10. Cottage garden on a deck. This charming and colorful setup features a variety of flowering plants like roses and other blossoms in a collection of different sized and shaped ceramic pots. The pots themselves vary in color and style, from a rustic terracotta to a bright turquoise glazed planter. This casual, abundant arrangement gives the feel of a cottage garden, bringing a natural and welcoming vibe to the outdoor space. It's a perfect example of mixing and matching pots for a playful and eclectic look. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to creating a stunning patio container garden. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a sprawling deck, containers are your secret weapon for bringing life and color to your outdoor space. They offer unparalleled flexibility and a chance to truly express your creativity. We hope these ideas have inspired you to get your hands dirty and start planting. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips and inspiration. And if you've created your own beautiful container garden, we'd love to see it. Tag us on social media. Happy planting!